Welcome back everyone to the 8th video of that series on CSS Grid. Today we are going to see how we can write those properties in a little bit shorter version. So it's going to be very useful when we add media queries and when we add responsive design and stuff like this. So the trick is you can remove areas here and you can define straight up the height of each rows straight into that template. So here we go, 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR. We are going now to define the width of each column. So in my case, it's going to be, and I'm going to align all of those. Here we go, aligned, better to understand. And if I save this, I don't need this anymore. I will have the exact same thing as we did before, but just in one property. So if for some reason I want the this row to be twice as big, here we go, twice as big. If I want the last column to be twice as big, here we go, and so far and so forth. So it's really useful, and it's going to be really great for the next video where we actually implement responsive design and we respond to media queries and change the grid. So see you in that video. Cheers!